Welcome to our comprehensive guide on conquering the YouTube landscape. In this video, we'll delve into the proven strategies and expert tips for growing your channel, engaging your audience, and maximizing your earning potential. Whether you're just starting or aiming to take your channel to the next level, these insights will be your roadmap to success. First off, define your niche and audience. It's crucial to find your unique niche and cater content to a specific audience. Identifying your target viewers helps tailor content that resonates with them, boosting engagement and loyalty. Next, remember that high-quality content is king. Focus on creating engaging, valuable content that captures attention. Investing time in planning, scripting, editing, and improving production quality keeps viewers coming back for more. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent upload schedule. Regular content keeps your audience engaged and helps with YouTube's algorithm, increasing your visibility. Master SEO strategies to optimize for search and discovery. Use targeted keywords, captivating thumbnails, compelling titles, and detailed descriptions to improve your searchability and visibility. Engage with your audience through comments, Q&A sessions, and community posts. Fostering a sense of community by responding to feedback and involving viewers in your content increases audience interaction and engagement. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promotion exposes your channel to new audiences and can significantly boost your growth. Leverage social media and online platforms to promote your content. Sharing teasers, behind the scenes, and engaging with followers across multiple platforms increases your reach. Regularly analyze your YouTube analytics and optimize performance. Understanding what works and what doesn't allows you to optimize your content strategy accordingly. Explore multiple revenue streams beyond ad revenue to diversify your earnings. Consider merchandise, sponsored content, memberships, or affiliate marketing. Lastly, stay authentic and evolve. Be true to your style, evolve with your audience, adapt to changes, and continuously improve your content and approach. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and patience. There's no magic formula, but these strategies, when consistently applied, will significantly boost your channel's growth, engage your audience, and pave the way for maximizing your earning potential on YouTube. Keep creating, stay inspired, and enjoy the journey to YouTube success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable insights. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your YouTube journey.